Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to another edition of The Truth About SAMSFX Versa thread. If you're interested in purchasing this thread, you can get it down in the comments below. I'll have a link to it where you can find it on Amazon. And today we're going to get into the last color of this 8-color kit that you can get. And I'm going to make one more video after this one on applying finish to the thread so we can see what that looks like. But let's go ahead and get started. So this one here kind of has, it really reminds me of kind of the tinsel thread. Right here you can see this thread back here in the background. They kind of resemble each other a little bit, minus all the glittery parts of it. But if we take a look at the thread, we can see that we have some gold, some purple, and some blue in there. So let's go ahead and start getting a wrap going here. We'll start with the blue, and we'll just kind of see how this starts to come out and see what kind of patterns we get. Let me lighten up my tension rod a little bit. All right, and then we'll go ahead and cut this running end off a little. All right, so go ahead, get started. Spinning this around a little and see what kind of pattern we get. Of course, it's got some great colors in there. Again, the gold, the blue, and the purple. But I'm interested to see if it's going to create any pattern or if it's just going to be kind of colorful. And it's kind of hard to see what pattern is coming out. But let's just keep working with it here a little bit. So I can see the purple seems to be standing out a little bit. We're getting some stack lines right there and right there, right there, right there. So let's see what that continues to do. Now again, we'll do about 2 to 3 inches of this to see what the pattern is. And this is the same blank that I've been using for all of these videos, and the same starting point. So the taper has been the same. You know, the rod taper has been the same on each of these videos. But you can kind of see those purple colors where they double up next to each other, and then you see a little bit of that blue in there. You know, blues are doing the same thing, and the gold. They both kind of, all three kind of double up, but that purple or violet color seems to be a little bit more prominent than the other colors, so therefore it sticks out a little bit more, I think. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. And if you're not new to the channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. Make sure you guys, hit the like button if you like the video so far, and leave a message in the comment block. Let me know what you think about the videos that I'm producing and putting on the channel. Let me know if you find value in them. All right, so we're cruising. That's probably about 2 inches. We'll come back, just over 2, about 2 1/8. So we'll go a little bit longer here just to see what we're getting. All right. So it seems to be just colors. I don't get very much pattern in them, to be honest. Again, there's those purples or those violets, but you can see the same thing where the blues come together and then the golds come together. Even though gold can be a dark color, it's kind of, overtaken by the purple, by the blue, and then by the purple. Purple being the strongest, the blue being the second strongest color in here. I'm not sure if I like this one, to be honest with you guys. 2 1/2 inches. Let's go just a little bit more. I am not sure that I like this one at all, but I mean, the colors are great. I just don't know if I like the, you know, it's not giving me a pattern. And let's go ahead and tie it off. And we'll jump into the second part. All right, so let's tie this off. And the thread came apart a little bit right there. So I just pulled, when I pulled it through, it pulled the metallic covering off of it. Not sure I like that either, but, and then, but it happens when you got it packed tight, the thread packed tight. Okay, and then let's go ahead and try one more thing here really quick. Let's go ahead and try a dragon scale wrap and see how this comes out. Again, we'll start with the blue just because that's what we did with the other stuff, or the other side, excuse me. Get a bite on the thread. All right, and then like I've been doing them in the past on this series, I'll do this one quite quickly for the sake of time, but still try to give you a good clean wrap so you have something to base it off of, but get this started. All right, we'll cut that running end. All right, and so we'll just turn, and then I'll pack this thread a little bit. Interested to see how this looks. Again, I'm doing this quickly, just for the sake of time and instructional purposes here. But we can see, so we can see the dragon scale pattern there underneath, if you will. So I'm not sure I like this thread by itself in that previous wrap, but let's finish this up and then I'll see what my thoughts are here. I'm just going along, just packing it a little bit. Again, I'm just trying to do this quickly for you guys for time. All right, and then just keep on cruising. All right, and pack it in a little bit. All right. So it's, oops, double over itself. All right. All right, so finish this off. Just make sure I get this, keep this mesh tape down a little bit, these loose ends. All right, and so you can see what that looks like with that dragon scale wrap. And I think, so I think I like it this way. What do you guys think? Do you like the dragon scale with this color? If so, let me know down in the comments block. And again, if you're new to this channel, you know, when you make a comment down in the comments block, I do try to respond, and I feel like I respond probably to 99.9% of any comments that are down there in the comments block. So if you have questions about this video or you have questions about other videos, you know, I encourage you to leave a comment down there if you would like me to respond. So 3, 4, 5, 6, one extra. We're going to tie this off, cut the line. okay. And then pull that tight. All right, so here is the normal wrap, just a thread on the blank, and then here it is with a dragon scale. I do not like this thread or this color option of this thread here. I mean, it's got some good colors, I'm pretty sure somebody would like this as an underwrap. I just don't. But I do like this thread with the dragon scale. I think that gives it a good, I think that dragon scale helps it pop and give it a unique look. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. Do you like it just regular thread? Yes or no, regular thread? Or do you like the thread with the dragon scale wrap underneath it, or the dragon scale, up underneath it? Or do you like both? Let me know down in the comments block, guys. So again, hey, I hope you found this video useful. Please feel free to share it with somebody else that you think might find it useful. Again, hit the like button. Make sure you guys watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care.